Okay, we're here with Georgia Rickobeen, who's going to tell us about her CAMS scrapbook album. So how did you come up with the idea for your scrapbook album?
Well, I really like the city, and I figure if I use the city as kind of like my format for my scrapbook and use all my favorite things, put them into buildings, and it would just, it's similar. You'll see. So that's that.
Okay, so a journey through the city, the
And
story
that's
of
supposed to
my
be a
life.
subway thing.
Oh,
So
cool.
that's a subway thing. And so each building is like a place, like, is all my favorite things. Like this one's all my favorite foods. And so here you can type in which food you'd like to know more about, and then it'll tell you about the food and why it's my favorite. And
Mind-blowing magic that you can only understand once you try it. Awesome.
yes.
Okay,
And so
so fried rice. It's a bundle of everything I like to eat. I like fried rice the best with shrimp and a heavy supply of soy sauce.
I love soy
Cool.
sauce. I could literally drink it. Okay. And then last one is kind of long. Chicken.
Spelled chicken wrong.
I did spell chicken wrong. Okay.
Chicken!
Chicken. Okay. Chicken noodle soup in a bread bowl.
Sour bread dough soaked with yummy chicken noodle soup. Now I'm hungry.
I know.
All right.
Okay.
So this is about from a restaurant that you like in New York City?
No.
Or it's
okay,
just
so
in general?
It's in general. And
Okay.
It's not nothing to do with New York City. It's just
Oh,
using
okay.
the city as a thing.
Gotcha.
Okay. It's kind of confusing. And I can press the space bar to continue. Oh, first you press enter, then you press the space bar.
All right. Okay, what's next?
And these are all my favorite movies. And so it plays it. And so I didn't have enough time to tell all the things about my favorite movies, but I just put them up there.
Okay.
And so these are like, I like Avengers, and this movie on Netflix called After the Ball, and Now You See Me. And they're making Now You See Me 2 really soon, so I'm really excited. Okay, so go. And then we go to the last stop, which is kind of like my credits, and I'm thanking everybody and everything in my life. So, yeah. You
Nice.
can skip.
Okay.
So, yep, and
All right.
if you want, you can see all the code I put into this.
So what was interesting, challenging, or surprising about creating this album, this program?
I was surprised because if I ever, like, this was the hardest part of the program, is the faux thing where you type in what you want. And I went through many different methods of coding, of like how to put in the code, and it turns out this was the best way. And if I messed up a little bit, then it would completely like not work. It would stop itself, and that was really frustrating. But the hardest thing I had to do was the first thing. It was writing my name in the beginning. And here's what I had to do first. I would write it in cursive, and it spells Adventure Love, which is my username. And I would
Okay. Go ahead.
And so, in each point is something I had to code here. It's like here, and then here are all the points I had to do,
Oh my goodness. And that spelled out Avenger Love.
which is my username, yes. And each point is a half a second, but yeah, and so here's what it was, look, here's, again, here it is, right here. So yeah, it took a very long time to do that, whole class to do that. And, yes.
All right.
What do you think?
What did you learn through this whole process? Aside from one mistake sometimes messes the whole thing up.
Oh, so I learned how to use the pen blocks of code, and it's right here. Hold on, let me stop this. It's right here, and this allows you to have a sprite that can actually draw something
Oh, okay.
on the thing. So that's what my name was doing right there with the heart sprite. So yeah, and I never knew how to do that, and that's what I did. And there's the code right here that I used.
What, how much math did you put in this? Did you learn mathematical
I
concepts?
did learn math because this right in my name was a coordinate grid, and these are all the different coordinates. All the dots are different coordinates, so I learned a lot of that. So I would tell the sprite to go to negative 200x to 0y, or negative 140x to 80y.
Awesome. All right.